Welcome to Dwyer and Michael's 40th Annual Rod and Custom Show. Check them out, my picks, and listen to some of Herefort's music along the way. I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here with this turbo-roo in this Subaru. Thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace!